Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, fog lights, body color door handles, perimeter alarm. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.